Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time.
Hello guys, what is going on today? So because the video where we test fitted an induction kit on Joel's car got more than 50 likes, which we said at the end of the video if it got more than 50 likes, he would go out and buy a K&N induction kit. So that's what he's done, and today we're going to be fitting it, and we're going to make his car go from sounding like this to sounding like this. So this is everything Joel got in his kit. He's got a little flexible pipe, the K&N filter, and a few brackets, and these are the tools you're going to need to undo your Jubilee clamps. So first off, you're going to have to take off your factory air box. Simple, all you got to do is get your little socket set, undo your Jubilee clamp, and it pulls off. Oh, and you've got to undo your screws first. We've already done that.
Too many things have been building, been hard to deal with. I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past. I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control, but I can't let it go because I'm trying to get more.
That was the original air filter, and you can see how restrictive that is.
They call I've been doing it wrong and I don't.
And then you just slot it on. Jubilee clamp first.
I've just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat. I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along. They gon' notice when I'm gone.
And now your car should sound like this.
GoPro's on the right, right?
Yeah. So guys, I forgot to actually end the video because we went for a drive to Subway and I completely forgot about it because we'd actually finished it. But pretty much Joel actually did all of the wrong kit. It was actually for a different version of the Corsa, so the intake was actually different. So that bracket thing didn't go on and we didn't actually use that flexible pipe, but we still managed to get it on the car. It still worked and it still sounded pretty cool. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and leave a like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do.